In this video, I'm going to show you how to get GMGN API key. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, create a GMGN account, and in case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 30% discount on all trading fees forever on GMGN, so make sure you check that out. So from here, once you are logged in, it's very easy to get the API key. You just want to go to the bottom right where it says API over here. You want to click on it, and it will open up their docs, as you can see inside the GMGN tutorial, and it says over here everything about the API key you will need. So as you can see, it's free to use, no need to request an API key, and you get the different input parameters over here, and you can get the return parameters, and if you scroll down, you will get all the necessary info for you to be able to use their API. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.